Umuganugo. After meeting Anyizanya, Nanya Banugo, Ufodunde, Niana upon years a one. Nina Bondia Sabani Mewe, Anya Sigo, Nanya Mafuziwan Nasaba, from yesterday, Kabaniu. Ebo Bunawasi, Yawana Chilewo. Ye Kuokwe, and the DBN and Habanawa register with a license. I got my quasi operate. And if I go to maybe I have a shikazi. I can't see Mudo Madonna Anambra, Buya Anambra. And if I got a zibona, no, yellow work clear 100 million, no Subina Saba. Dibia Bina Saba. If any Bona Saba.
I have consistently maintained that our tradition is not the same thing as paganism. They are not the same. See now, the Asaba of Asaba, who is the custodian of our culture and tradition in Asaba, is rejecting their own wine and their more. If truly what they are practicing is our tradition, why is the traditional leaders rejecting them? That is where you will know that what they are doing is not our tradition. You heard the message that they will not allow them to come into Asaba and do whatever they want to do. You see it? That's will tell that what they are doing is barbaric, is diabolical, it's not our tradition, it's not our culture, it's not our custom. And it's not just for Asaba or the Delta or Anyama people, it's for the entire Igbos to know this truth. That these guys who is not our tradition. It's not anybody's tradition. And funny enough, they are deceiving you guys by thinking there's power in them. For you to think that the Okite is a solution for you to have wealth, something is actually wrong with you. For you to think that there's a charm for you to make wealth, something is actually wrong with you. In Nigeria, statistics shows that we have more than 150 million Nigerians that are poor. Nigeria is 250 million in population, but approximately 150 million Nigerians are living in abject poverty. And statistics shows that Southeast is less in poverty to compare to North. Now, people in the North, no pastor or babalawo is telling them that witches or witchcraft or they need spiritual power to come out of it. People wey their poverty dey extremely. You will be saying you are own not there extremely. Somebody is telling you there's a spiritual power, there's a witch, that and you need to do some juju, you need to do some killing, some sacrifice to come out of it. Now, if you check realistically, Nigeria, 150 million Nigerians are living in poverty. Why do you think now your own spiritual that attached to? You are not asking a good question. Maybe I will help you to re-ask the question again. If 150 million Nigerians are living in poverty, why do you think your own is different? Why do you think your own is because of which or because you do not do sacrifice? That's why you're not making enough money. Why do you think your own is spiritual? Out of 100, know what if be 100 million people? Now you believe that your own is spiritual, so you need a spiritual method to release yourself. Because for you to be looking for solution, you believe there is a problem, right? So you believe there is a spiritual problem. That's why you're looking for a spiritual solution. Poverty wey hold 150 million Nigerians everywhere in Nigeria, everybody they suffer. But only you think say your own na spiritual. That's why you're looking for babalawo. You're looking for pastor to deliver you. You cannot think. The Okite they work, Now some of these Babalawo cousins are still poor. The prayer they work, now some of the church members are still poor. But you not get sense. If they tell you, begin they grow angry, the next thing say, you don't know anything, there are powers. There is no power anywhere that will make you make money. I'm the one saying it and I will repeat it again. If there is power to make you make money, nobody will sell it and give it to you. The rich will buy it and not. In fact, the way the wickedness is in Nigeria, the people that have money will buy all the powers, not for you to be rich. They're just collecting your money and making more money for themselves. Matter of here, Joe.